Hello friends, welcome to Saral Trader. Today we are going to look at the end of the week charts for S&P 500 and other indices and some stocks that have come to me from my followers and subscribers. So first of all, this is S&P 500. Now S&P 500, as you all know, we were bullish. This is Saral 2 system which gave a buy call and we had taken a long position here, and this was on the daily charts, and we saw that it was going up, but there was, as I told you, if there is anything which closes intraday below 3800, we will exit the long positions, which we did. And but then there was a surprise move which came up even after such bad results. So typically, the rule of being long only when we are above the T line. This is the line where we should always be long above this. Worked out. So this is a surprise move which came up, and bulls have really consolidated their position even further, taking out the congestion area which was at this point, and they closed at the top, and they left the position at the top. This means that they are gaining more confidence, and we might see a more follow through coming up in weeks. If you look at the Saral 1 system, which is a shorter time frame system, we got almost a similar kind of a buy even on that. So this is the Saral 2 system where we both of them give the buy here. Now, if you look at the shorter time frame, what is happening here? This is the time frame. We got the signal here, and we were in a steady up move. There was choppiness here, but I mean that's the nature of the equities. And then yesterday, day before yesterday, on Thursday, we got a very big sell candle, and this sell candle, was above the T line, and then massive buying, and we actually went up. So this is again, there is a new signal. We might see some choppiness here and there within this area, but now seems like the market is going to go up. If the signal reverses, we will reverse our position. We will see what we have to do the position. This is S&P 500, very bullish price action. This is a bullish kicker action, not a perfect bullish kicker, but definitely this is a very strong action. We might see a retracement up to this level or this level. That's where the new positions can be made, or new position, or you can add to your position. So watch out for these two levels if you want to go long. 3850 and 387475 kind of a level where you can add more. I added long position yesterday again, and I took out my puts that I had bought. Now we will look at Nasdaq. Nasdaq is more interesting. Because see, Nasdaq has been in the bullish trend as per Saral 2. So it went up. This is Saral 2, and let's see what is Saral 1 saying. So on Saral 1 also it was long, and it gave a signal 2 days before, actually Saral 2 system. So if you look at Saral 2, which is the primary system, you see we were going up, and that's where they found congestion and resistance. They came down, quite down, and right at the beginning of the candle where the move started, they took the support, bought over, closed a little bit higher but in red, and then again a massive move. Now this is a very typical classic uh, setup called as bullish kicker. Now I'm not long on this yet, but I plan to add positions. In fact, I'm trying to add an option strategy, a butterfly here, or maybe I will just go along with a single lot and see what happens with a stop loss of 0.5% below this level. Um, Definitely, the price action suggests that there is a strong move coming up towards the top. There is some on the shorter time frame also very similar pattern. All indices will have similar pattern. The buy has not come yet on a 4-hour chart. Uh, let's see what comes up. I think all the bad news has been digested, and still bulls have taken it up. That means there is a strong sense of value people are seeing in now in the markets, in Nasdaq at least. Now, what will be the stop loss for this trade? Again, 0.5% below this, so 10918, which is almost 11,000. So take a stop loss of say 200 points below this level and go long. Now, let's see the small cap index, which is the Russell 2000. The Russell 2000 again, very similar, little bit more volatility here, but it's still up. It didn't go down as much as Nasdaq and S&P 500, even on the bad news, and then a follow through. Again, it has given a buy signal on the 4 hour, and there was nice follow through also. Now, if you look at the key levels, we are above the resistance level and almost at the midpoint of this big, no, not at the midpoint. Midpoint will be somewhere here, 1877. That's where, you will see some resistances coming in. So we will see, in my opinion, we will see more follow through buying. And then, here there will be some congestion. So there will be a lot of profit booking coming in at this particular point. This point is 1880. So partially I will take out some profits here if that comes. I am fully hedged. I have bought puts which I am trailing. So I'm not worried. This position is now completely free for me. So I plan to sell it off. Now let us look at some of the charts of the large caps. Let's look at Google. Now Google, again, a massive downfall. And it has given a sell signal on Saral 2, but on a daily time frame it has gone up and it has closed very bullish almost. So I think there will be a gap fill situation which might come up, and that is something that we should watch for, because this is a very bullish price action. If Nasdaq goes up, this can go up with it. And I think I have not shorted the position. I have actually had a butterfly in Google which I'm maintaining. I've taken the two legs out of the calls that I sold, but I'm still holding the call that I hold. This is 102 call and I still have 10 days to go. I'll hold it. Now let's look at Apple. I have not traded Apple for a while. Oh my god, that's amazing. So Apple, again, you see there was a buy on Searle 2, it went up. There was some result, some kind of downfall before expiry. They try to create panic, and then they opened up. This is a very bullish candle, very bullish setup, perfect bullish kicker action. We are also, my subscribers are long on GoPro. So GoPro, nothing much happening here. We went in somewhere, we took out the position somewhere here. For last 5 days, it's just chopping around in the area. Nothing much is happening, but position is still intact. On the banking side, Citi is really, um, in a good mood. I took an option trade somewhere around here, and that's moving, sailing in pretty much the best direction, good direction. Let's look at the Bitcoin micro futures. We generally trade micro futures. Trading size is very key. In Saral system, you should have a size that maintains your composure. So Saral 2 gave a buy here, and we have seen good follow through on that. There was some selling and then there was more selling yesterday, but it has held. So this level is holding. Stop loss for this trade is a close below 19,233. We will hold it. I think this is level to hold. Then look at New Zealand dollar and USD. This is another forex pair where our Saral system is long and we are long. Our subscribers are long. So pretty good. Moving up slowly. I think there is some buying pressure coming in. We took out half position at this level at the top, and now we are holding the half position, and we have trailed the stop loss to our entry point. Some other stocks. Let's see what's happening in PayPal. On PayPal, we have choppiness going around. Nothing much happening here. Let's look at the wheat charts. Wheat futures. Wheat futures in a downtrend. This is Saral 2 system. Lot of attempts. These are more distribution efforts. I got stuck in a shorter time frame here. I'm carrying that lot here. Still, I will try to exit. It's a bad trade I took. Then let's look at soybeans. Soybeans again is gone into a zone where a lot of congestion is there. And no perfect trends are forming. I think it's still uh, nothing much happening. I think we will get some move here only when we close above 1410, and then the new leg will start up. So I have a micro future, which I'm holding, but I will kind of, it's not giving me the returns I thought. Um, let's look at any other stock. 10-year treasury note. 10-year treasury note has also given a buy here, and let's see what comes out of it. I have not taken a position in this. Then let's look at probably which one you want to see. You want to see Meta? Okay, let's see what Meta is doing. Meta, see, unlike Google, where and Apple, where the buying came in after selling, there is no buying that has come up. This candle, if you see, this is a good. It could have been a bullish setup if this was a green candle with a hammer kind of shape, but still, bulls are not gaining control. Let's look at Amazon. What is Amazon doing? Amazon fell and the same day it went up. Let's look at the shorter time frame, or maybe the okay. So that's pretty good. It came almost to the midpoint. If somebody has to go long for any reason, you can take a stop loss of this, close below this, and go long. Let's see. Let's see any other chart. Let's see what is CVX doing. Chevron, the energy play. Okay, this is a very double top kind of a formation. I think this is second attempt. So only if you people will be enticed to short. This is a nice um, candle. I think if somebody has to go short, they can go with a short of close above this and go short. If someone has to go short, I think the energy is in big mood right now, so let's not disturb that. So overall, nice setups. You can subscribe to this channel. We give daily updates on end of the day, and we share daily levels for futures traders. So you can look at. You will find them in description for the Monday, and also you can see the details of our Saral trading system. It has outperformed the markets in all three variations of long, short only, and long only, with returns of 21% year to date till September, while market was minus 24%. So subscribe to our channel. You can take a 30-day free trial of our alerts at saraltrader.com. You will find that also in the description. So look forward to see you guys. Thank you. Happy trading.